I am Dr. Soumi Sinha, Professor and Head, Department of Cardiorespiratory Diseases, Ravi Nair Physiotherapy College, Wardha. Today I am going to show you how to measure chest expansion, and also I will be showing how to observe chest symmetry. This is our patient. I will first explain him what I am going to do. मैं आपका चेस्ट मेजरमेंट लेने जा रही हूँ. इस दौरान अगर आपको कोई भी परेशानी होती है तो आप मुझे बताइए. Now chest measurement ideally should be taken at the level of the nipples. So I will be using a measuring tape to measure the chest expansion. What is the right way of doing it? I ask the patient to slightly move his arm little apart. I will put the measuring tape like this at the level of nipples. And I will now note down the reading at expiration. सांस बाहर छोड़ो. Note down the reading during expiration. Followed by noting down the reading during deep inspiration. अब गहरी सांस लीजिए. You can see how the measuring tape has moved. This difference between the readings during expiration and full inspiration is the chest measurement. I will do it once again, taking the measurement at the level of nipple using a measuring tape during expiration and followed by during full inspiration. सांस लो. In normal adult males, the chest measurement is between 2 to 5 inches. Normal chest measurement in case of healthy males, adult males, is 2 to 5 centimeters. There are certain conditions in which, certain diseases in which chest measurement will be reduced. Now I will show you how to know chest symmetry of the patient. For that, we need to observe the breathing of the patient. What are the areas that should be observed during breathing? We should observe the apical areas of the chest. We should observe the thoraco-abdominal areas of the chest, and we can also go behind the patient and we can see the thoracolumbar area of the patient. So here we start from the front. I will put my hand on the apical areas of the patient, of the chest of the patient, and then I will ask the patient to breathe in and follow it with breathing out. गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ो. During breathing, it should be noted whether both the hands are moving equally. If both the hands move equally, it means that both parts of the chest is moving symmetrically. So this I have done for apical region. Similarly, I will place my hands in this region, and once again I will ask the patient to take a deep breath in, follow it by breathing out. गहरी सांस लीजिए, फिर सांस छोड़िए. फिर से. During this, I am trying to feel with my hands whether both parts of the chest are moving symmetrically. Same thing. Now to observe the chest symmetry from the back, I will keep both my hands over the hemithorax of the patient, that is the thoracolumbar area. And once again, I will ask the patient to breathe in and then breathe out. गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़िए. फिर से सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. During this, I will once again observe whether both sides of the chest are moving equally and symmetrically.